Metropolitan and Poverty. Semarang City, which is the capital of Central Java Province, is the fifth largest metropolitan city in the Indonesia after Jakarta, Surabaya, Medan, and Bandung. It's feel fresher and firm. In the midst of the COVID-19 pandemic, the poverty rate in Indonesia has increased. The Central Statistics Agency reports that the number of poor people in Indonesia will increase in the midst of a conflict pandemic. 55 people then in September 2021, 26.50 million people decreased by 1.05 million compared to September 2020, especially the percentage of poor people in urban areas, especially the percentage of poor people in urban and rural areas as of September 2021 has also shown a decline. During the COVID-19 pandemic, the poverty rate in the city of Semarang continued to grow in 2019. The poverty rate in the city of Semarang was 3.98%. Then in 2020 it was 4.34%, and in 2021 it rose again to 4.56%, and the city of Semarang continues to try to suppress the poverty rate continues to grow during the pandemic. Considering that the level of community welfare is determined by the government economic policy, that's why the factor that cause poverty can also be due to the failure of economic development that has been planned by the government.
Kenapa memilih jadi tukang parkir Pak di sini Pak?
Nanti ada kerjaan lain.
Oh, emang dulunya kerja apa Pak?
Pengkolan.
Oh, pengkolan. Di mana Pak dulunya Pak?
Kampung-kampung.
Kalau di sini biasanya mulai jam berapa Pak?
Jam 10.
Jam
malam.
10 pagi sampai
10 malam.
jam 10 malam. Itu kalau sehari gitu dapat berapa Pak bis?
Ya soal itu kan rahasia ya. Yang penting cukup buat makan.
Oh, yang penting cukup buat makan. Nggak ada kira-kira berapa gitu Pak?
Ya janganlah.
Oh,
Banyak pegawai wae nanti ya.
cukup untuk biaya sehari-hari Pak?
Iya cukup. Bisa
Ya.
nyalengi bisa.
Bisa. Keluarga ada berapa Pak?
Keluarga saya ada cuma saya dan anak saya 2.
Oh, 2. Istri udah nggak ada berarti?
Kawin lagi.
Oh.
There are several factors that cause poverty that commonly occur, including first, a low level of education can make a person lack the skill, insights, and adequate knowledge for his life. Secondly, a person with a low level of education make himself lazy to work because he does not have the skill or knowledge that later. Thirdly, limited capital can also be an obstacle for a person to develop, not to mention if the person has a low level of education then price of necessities is high. This is also the reason why the poor feel inadequate and not enough to meet their daily needs. The last one is limited employment. It means that someone can create new jobs, but the opportunity is quite small for the poor because of limited skills and capital. The conclusion is basically every problem or issue of social issues has impact itself, which create other social problems such as this social problem of poverty, which create unemployment rate, which make the unemployment rate more and more, then high crime. People then to do anything to meet the needs of life no matter what. Furthermore, if access to education is closed, if they lack education, they cannot compete and cannot rise from adversity. Then the high mortality rate for low income people cannot get access to adequate health directly with health. Poverty is a multidimensional problem that cannot be solved partially. Therefore, poverty alleviation efforts are the responsibility of the central government and local governments, along with all components of development based on empowerment and the potential of available resources.